Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2032 code? This code means the exhaust gas temperature sensor on bank 1 sensor 2 is sending a low voltage signal to the ECU. If this issue is not fixed, the ECU may misjudge exhaust heat levels and affect emission system performance. P2032 stands for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit low, bank 1 sensor 2. In simple terms, the ECU detects that the temperature sensor signal is lower than the expected range, usually due to a faulty sensor or wiring issue. Common symptoms include check engine light, poor emission control, regeneration problems in diesel vehicles, increased exhaust smoke, and possible power reduction. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 1 sensor 2 is mounted on the exhaust pipe, typically after the catalytic converter or near the diesel particulate filter. It is installed directly in the exhaust flow to monitor heat levels. The wiring harness runs along the exhaust system under the vehicle and connects to the ECU. Nearby components include the catalytic converter, DPF, and exhaust piping system. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and check the exhaust temperature readings. If the value is extremely low or not changing, inspect the sensor and wiring. Check for damaged insulation, broken wires, or poor ground connection near the exhaust area. Also inspect the connector for corrosion or loose pins. If the circuit is open or the sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary. Finally, repair wiring issues, replace the defective exhaust temperature sensor, clear the fault code, and perform a proper road test. Fixing P2032 on time ensures accurate exhaust heat monitoring and proper emission system operation.